CRWV stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in this brief short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. CoreWeave is already 4.5% up, which is great. All I can tell you is the last 2 wins that I've gotten have been super on point. When I began buying CRWV, like, it was at the time 50 bucks, right? 2 weeks back. And I'm not even exaggerating, it was 50 bucks and now it's 100. So that's double, like literally double. And all I can tell you is going to the next week, I'm just looking to double down and buy. You know, I was waiting for a double break, but since I've gotten this first break here, and now if I see a full candle break above 106, then only then I'm still gonna look to buy. So yeah, that's how CRWV is looking like. All I'm doing is waiting in the meantime. And if there's not sort of the double shift, you know, there's obviously me not gonna force, I'm not gonna force the trade. This is the last thing I'm looking to do. And if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month with indicators, click the first link in the description, get my free emails.